Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is one of my flea market products. I just see what I have, put stuff together and sell it. I've really got not a lot in here. I've got casters right there, there, and there, and there. And I've screwed these together and I'm putting on this barn board on top, and I'll put barn board there, 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 and here. Completely cover those. And I'll paint it white as well, but I'll let the barn board stay just natural. I may put polyurethane to get that barn board to pop. I'll see. I'll do a little piece of barn board wood and set that on the white, see how it does. Let me show you my other creation. This is another creation of mine. I had these deer skulls and I just put them on there. I've got to put one little piece of wood right there to complete the frame of it, and this will go to the flea market too, and maybe it'll sell, maybe it won't. If not, I can put it up here at my place. But some of you may recognize this wood. This is what I had for the clock, but it was way too big for the clock, and I would like it, but I don't know that anybody else would have liked it that big, so I'm gonna make one smaller for the Coca-Cola clock, and go at that a different way. But I had the piece of wood together, so I just thought about what I could use it for. So this will be going to flea market. Those are two 8-point buck skulls. So maybe somebody will want it for their man cave or their barn or something. We'll see. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.